I'm Kim Meckelburg. This is my husband, Scott Meckelburg. We're Lighthouse Outdoor Lighting of Los Angeles County. We cover the greater Los Angeles area for designing and installation needs. Scott's been in this, he's been doing this for friends for 20 years, and now we've been doing it professionally for over 6 years.
There's a lot of innovation going on in the industry now with better lighting. What I like to do is, when I'm actually in the field doing lighting, is give people new ideas.
Something that people comment to us a lot about is that we not only take their ideas into mind, we improve upon their ideas and make it better than they ever thought it could be possible.
Well, Kim came out first, and we walked around and got to know each other. She got to understand what my requirements were. She got to understand what my lifestyle was and how we like to entertain and use our outdoor as much as possible. Right off the bat, I was impressed by her commitment to my needs and not just trying to pigeonhole me into a particular style that she felt comfortable with. When we bought the house, it had no outdoor lighting. And the house, as I said, is perched up on a hill, so it's a little precarious. As you walk along the edge of the house, when there is the outdoor property, you don't see any light. So, and also we have this beautiful landscaping that was included with the house, and we added to that. And it just made sense to illuminate it. They were relentless in making sure that it was done correctly. We didn't ask for much, just let them have their way with the property, and they did a great job. When I came back and looked at it at night, I felt that I was in like a resort on an island someplace with all of these palm trees illuminated. It was like a destination for me to see my house from a distance. The enhancement that this lighting has made to my property inspires me to come outside and just stand and admire it. I get to see the plants at night in a whole different light than I would see during the day. The whole valley below takes on a different perspective for me when I look out over the valley off my hillside here. And the whole experience has changed. Before it was just a dark space outside of my house, and I didn't feel comfortable going out there or have any reason to. Now, one of the first things when my friends come over to visit, they want to come outside. They want to walk around and admire the landscape and the views. I knew that it would be an enhancement. I just didn't realize how much.
What I really like about lighting and working with my husband is I get to watch Scott turn people's yards into something magical at night.
I can go on and on about how well they addressed this project. I felt singularly very honored to have them working on this for me. And I felt that I got real value for my investment in this. I don't often give recommendations simply because people want me to. I do it because they deserve it. I would say Scott and Kim are, first of all, trustworthy, they're honest, they're hardworking, they're incredibly committed to getting the job done correctly. They don't just take your money, install the product, and then disappear. They would call frequently after the job was done to make sure everything was to my liking. They asked to come back repeatedly after the job was installed and operating to make sure it was working properly. So that to me speaks volumes about Kim and Scott.
We're here for the long term. So as your landscape changes, your design will change, and we'll actually come out and redesign your lighting for as long as you own your home.
We will grow with you.
And that's something we do, and we grow with you.
I've done the research. I've looked all over this valley looking for the right people. I can't imagine anybody doing a job better. I don't know if there is anybody who even does the job as well. And as I said, I wouldn't recommend people very often because it's my name and my reputation that I'd be putting on the line. And so I do it very sparingly. No problem, however, recommending Kim and Scott for anybody's job installing outdoor lighting. That's all they do.
A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.